Hello scientists, welcome to Med. So I'm making this video to offer my special thanks to you all to help me to reach the 1,000 subscriber marks on this YouTube channel. I really enjoy interacting with you all in the comment sections, and also some of you have sent me emails, give me suggestions of the kind of tutorials that you would like to see. So I really learned a lot from you, that the kind of research that you're doing, and also what kind of help that you need to help you publish your research. Speaking of these discussions, now I am allowed to use the community tab on this channel. So if you go to the main page of the channel and then look on top, I think there will be some tabs that you can select, and then one of them is community. So if you go in there, then you'll see it will be like a discussion forum where I will be posting some very quick tips about making graphical abstract, and also the Q&A I have with some of the scientists on this channel. And because I find that the questions might be very helpful to everybody, to all the subscribers on Med. So so I'm really happy that I can use this new community tab, because sometimes these very valuable contents, they're a little bit too short to make into a full video. So now you have the opportunity to view them in the community tab. But I will also share these things on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, so you can also find this information over there. However, I think the main information channel will always be on YouTube, because I started with you guys, and I would love to grow with you guys and really see where this journey will bring us to. I'm really curious how graphical abstract will evolve in this scientific community, because I was really surprised by the amount of people who came to me to learn about these scientific illustration techniques. As I said, I've done a lot of workshops around the world. I've done it in Oxford, I've done it in Berlin, Einstein Center of Neuroscience, also Tsinghua University, and also where else? In Amsterdam, the three main universities in Amsterdam. So it was always full. Definitely there will be a lot. There is a lot of need for learning these graphical abstract, and also from the feedback of some of you have given me, that you also think that this should be part of your curriculum, of your PhD training, or it could be a good training at your faculty institute. So yeah, I'm really curious of how this graphical abstract can help you with your research, and why has it become so popular these days? Leave it in the comment to let me know. I really want to know what is your experience in while you're doing research, and also why your topic requires these kind of visualization. So yeah, and so that's exactly what I really love about my experience on this YouTube channel, because I get to interact with a lot of scientists around the world. That you guys literally come from everywhere. So yeah, and I get to learn about your research and all the technologies and also the topics that you're researching. So that is really cool, because after all, I have worked as a researcher before, and science research always has a place in me. It's just that like my experience while doing research back then sort of pushed me towards another direction that is going towards art. But I always have a very strong interest in science. and I always feel a little bit how do you call that? Yeah, it is such a shame that I couldn't continue in a way, because I'm always interested in neuroscience, and so that's why I went into that field in the first place. However, just how the like the research, practice and industry is currently that makes me left that environment. Yeah, I have quite a lot of melancholy about that actually. But now, since so I will always be attracted to science, and I'm always curious of what people are still working on in the science community, and also I would really love to help you with your research, and hope that you can have a good result and present it in a very aesthetic way. Yeah, so so I really look forward to seeing you in the future videos, and also welcome to give me suggestions of what kind of videos that you like to watch, and what kind of topic you're interested in, either about scientific illustration, or like moving abroad, or what my experience was as a researcher. And I can also invite some friends to talk about their experience, for instance studying PhD, or working in academia, or publishing, also other scientific illustrators, to share their experience and what they do. So there are all kinds of these topics that I'm really excited to do, and also to share with you. So yeah, let me know in the comments, and also in the community tab, or email it to me. Also, if you find the contents here on JoBioMed helpful to your friends, colleagues, or other scientists, you're very welcome to share my contents with them, and I hope I can also see them here on JoBioMed, and also joining our community. So yeah, and we look forward to seeing you more, and I wish you happy JoBioMed.